Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Instagram note sharing to Facebook on iPhone. Cross posting makes it extremely easy for you to publish your Instagram post to a connected Facebook account. While it can be an excellent way to save time, many users have reported issues where this feature doesn't work for them on their iPhones. So if you have also encountered a similar issue, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll tell you how can we fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is ensure that your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked. One of the prerequisite sites for sharing your Instagram post on Facebook is to have both accounts linked together. Therefore, you must ensure that the both accounts are properly connected before you share anything. For this, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone and then tap on your profile. And then select the hamburger menu at the top right and then tap on settings and privacy. Next, navigate to account center and then tap on sharing across profiles. Check if your Facebook account is listed on the page. If it's not, then tap on add accounts and then tap on add Facebook account. Next, select your Facebook account and then tap on continue. Won't need to enter anything if you have Facebook installed. Connect your Facebook account with Instagram and then tap on continue and then tap on yes, finish adding, and you are done. And the next step is change Instagram sharing preferences in Meta account center. Once you link your Instagram account with Facebook, you must select what content you want to share to your Facebook account or a page connected to your Facebook account. If you have not done this, go to Instagram and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Next, tap on the hamburger menu and then tap on settings and privacy and then tap on account center and then tap on share across the profiles under connected experiences. Tap and select your Instagram username. Under share to, select your main Facebook profile instead of pages connected to it. Under the automatically shared label, toggle on your Instagram story, your Instagram post and your Instagram reels, and you are done. And the next step is relink your Facebook account to Instagram. Often glitches or bugs within Facebook and Instagram can prevent cross posting from working as expected. If you want to phase out the possibility, you must relink your Facebook account to your Instagram account. For this, go to Instagram and then tap on your profile picture and then tap on the hamburger menu. Next, tap on settings and privacy and then tap on account center. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on accounts. From here, tap the remove button next to your Facebook profile. Move your Facebook account from Instagram. On the confirmation page, tap on remove account and then tap on continue. And then again tap on yes, remove. And you are done. And the next step is re-login to your Instagram account and Facebook account. If the previous methods didn't help fix your issue, you can try logging out and logging into your Instagram Facebook accounts to see if that does the trick for you. You just need to open the Instagram app and then tap on your profile and then tap on the hamburger menu and tap on settings and privacy. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on log out and do the same steps with the Facebook. And you are done. After logging out from Facebook and Instagram, enter your credentials and tap login to access your Facebook and Instagram accounts. And the next step is change your Facebook account password. If you have not changed your Facebook account password in a while, it would be a good idea to do it now. Apart from improving your account security, doing this will let you log out from all your Facebook sessions running on the other devices, so you can clear out any glitches that may prevent you from sharing your Instagram post across Facebook. For this, open Facebook and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right and then tap on the settings at the top and then tap on account center. From here, tap on password and security. From here, you can change your password and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Instagram not sharing to Facebook on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.